Hello, student. Today we will study a new chapter from your book, that is Inventions and Life Cycle of a Frog, page number 36, 37, and page number 40 from your book. First of all, I would like to discuss life cycle of a frog, right? Life cycle. Let me discuss what is life cycle. A life cycle refers to the stage or changes that an animal goes through while it's alive, right? And here we are going to study about the life cycle of a frog. So let me tell you, frogs are amphibians. Amphibians, what do you understand by the word amphibians? Amphibians means that they can live in water or in land. They can survive in land and they can survive in water also. That's why we call them amphibians. Alright. So here in the on the screen you all can see there are many pictures. You have to just identify which stage come first and then which. You have to just follow the stages. You have to just follow the cycles of a frog. First of all, a frog begins its life as a fertilized eggs. You all can see in the picture there are many fertilized eggs, right? What do we call them? These are eggs. And eggs gradually converted into a tadpole, right? It just changes into a tadpole here. Tadpole gradually to next it becomes young frog, or another word we call it froglet, right? It increases in size, right, and grows its legs also, and it is known as young frog. Gradually that young frog changes into a froglet, right? And that froglet has a tail also. You can see in the picture it had a tail. So later on, whenever it converted into a young frog, you can see that this tail had disappeared in this screen. There is no tail, right? So gradually the froglet loses its tails and becomes an adult frog, and then same cycle repeated, that adult frog give eggs, and later on eggs converted into tadpole, and tadpole converted into young frog, and young frog converted into froglet, and froglet converted into uh, again adult frog. All right, I think it's clear to all of you. Now I'm moving to the next picture, next slide, and that is chapter number page number 36 and 37. Here we will study inventions go places, right? So, first of all, we would discuss here about James Watt. James Watt is an inventor, and he is Scottish inventor. He was from Scotland, and he had developed a steam engine, and he had developed that steam engine in 18th century, and it is known as the model of the steam engine. You all can see here model of steam engine, and it is invented by James Watt. James Watt was from Scottish. He was from Scotland. He was a Scottish, and he had invented a steam. He had invented a steam engine. All right. The next picture is motorcycle. Here you can see it look like some motorcycle, na? And you all had seen many motorcycles in your life, right? You all had seen many motorcycles in your life. Here we will study about who had invented motorcycle. First of all, tricycle, right? Tricycle attached with a motor, that was invented by Edward Butler. All right, that was invented by Edward Butler in 1884. In 1884, later on, motorcycle was invented by Gottlieb Daimler. Gottlieb Daimler, he was an Germany inventor, right? And he attached a petrol run engine into a bicycle, right? In his bicycle he had just attached a petrol run engine, and these two were the first motorcycles. First was not motorcycle, it was tricycle, that was invented by Edward Butler, and later on first motorcycle was invented by Gottlieb Daimler. All right, moving to the next one, Carl Benz. Carl Benz was a German mechanical engineer who designed in 1885 and he had built the world's first practical automobile to be powered by an internal engine, right? So you all can see in the picture that here is a motor wagon, and this motor wagon is invented by Karl Benz. Karl Benz, from which country he belonged? He belonged to Germany, right? And he had invented the first practical automobile. All right, and it's a powered by petrol run engine, and it was invented during 1885. Moving to the next one, here in the picture you can see it's an airplane, and this was the first airplane in this picture that was invented by Wright brothers, and their name was Orville and Wilbur. These two brothers were American, and they had invented the world's first airplane. They were also the first person who had fly the plane for only 12 seconds, and it had covered a distance of 37 meter. I think it's clear to all of you. Now moving to the next one, Richard Trevithick. Richard Trevithick is an Britain built the first working railway engine, right? Who had invented the first working railway engine? You all can see in the picture here, tracks are here, a small engine is there, and it's a first small working railway engine, and it was powered by steam. It was built in 1803. In the 1820, Stephenson designed and built the first locomotive and carry goods and passenger. The first one who had designed the first steam locomotive who can carry goods and passenger, that was invented by George Stephenson. All right. The next one is, you all can see in the picture, it's a tricycle, right? And the first tricycle was, you all had seen many modern tricycle also, a three-wheeled chair, right? A three-wheeled chair, and it was developed in 1655. That was developed by Stephen Fraffler. Stephen Fraffler, a disabled watchmaker in Germany, right? You all can see that many of the inventors from Germany, he used to it as a wheelchair to move around. He used to use his wheelchair whenever he just want to move around, and he was the one who had invented wheelchair, three-wheeled chair, right? Because he was a disabled person. The first tricycle with pedals was built by, it was added with pedals, and it was invented by a Frenchman named Blanchard and Maguire in 1789. Moving to the next, and you have to identify these pictures and you have to just tell me the answer. This is a railway system where a train runs on a track with one rail only, either above or beneath the railway cars. Here the picture is given, and you have to identify which vehicle is this. You have to identify, you have to name this. Do you know? I'm waiting for your response. Reply in chat box. Yeah, this one is monorail. Monorail is a railway system where a train runs on a track with one rail only, right? The next question is question number 2. A form of transportation where a cabin hangs from one cable and is pulled by another cable. I think you all had seen this, and you had enjoyed this vehicle also. Do you know what do we call this vehicle? We call it ropeway, right? Ropeway is a form of transportation where people sit in that vehicle and they are pulled by another cable. All right. The next one is, you can see here in the third picture, this vehicle can travel over both land and water. What do we call this? We call it hovercraft. Here in the picture number 4, this is used by astronauts and space explorers. This is used by astronauts and space explorer. This is known as space shuttle. Student, this is for you. You have to just answer me these questions. Who invented the first electric bulb? You have to write down the answer in comment box. Who invented telephone? You have to write down the name also. Who built the first car in America? And you have to also give the answer. If you know the answer, then reply. Okay. So thanks for watching, student.